Hi all, I need to make a short announcement. Starting from today I'm going to do numbering all my stock review videos because I think it will be easier for me and for you to keep track of the stock reviews videos. Anyway, so let's get this started.
A good case. All right. Right now, how about Amazon? Go to the other extreme. Would you sell that on the grounds that it was earlier? Right now it's 8.35. Yep. It was 8.42 and change at the new high. You think that's too high? Would you sell it?
Amazon is the cheapest $842 stock I know, and here's why. It's growing earnings at 80%.
In today's video we are going to review the stocks of Amazon. We will be looking mainly at three things. Those are: number 1, the stock price performance of Amazon; number 2, how the business of Amazon is doing; and number 3, the speculation of the Amazon future stock price. Amazon stocks has been performing greatly this year so far. Yesterday it closed at the price of $844.36 US, which is an all-time high for Amazon this year and probably the all-time as well. Now compared to the lowest stock price of this year, which was on February the 9th, where the stock price of Amazon closed at $474. Now if you had bought those stocks at that day for that price, you would have made a profit of $370.36 per share. Basically, your return on investment would be around 78%. Not bad for a few months of investing. Now, if you look at the chart, you can definitely see that Amazon is in a bullish trend. Amazon is doing really good this year in business as well. Now, if you look at the quarterly result, then you will see that the second quarterly net profit has increased a lot. Now what amazes me is that the increase of the net profit is for the 5th time straight. So for 5 quarters on a row they have a net profit, which is weird because Amazon is used to be known as a company that doesn't make profit in net. Now, by the looks of things, how the third quarter is going right now, I think Amazon will also report a good net profit for the third quarter as well. Now, recently, Morgan Stanley increased the stock price target from $800 per share to $950 per share. Now, the reason for this is that one of the analysts point out that there was a strong growth in the Prime membership of Amazon. They are estimating that currently Amazon has a globally around 60 million Prime subscribers. Now if you wonder why this is important, now the reason why this is important is because that Prime subscribers are spending more money on Amazon than a non-subscriber. Now with this customer membership base, you can expect that Amazon is going to have a bigger revenue in the future as long as the membership base continue to grow. At this moment, Jeff Bezos, the CEO of Amazon, is expecting a revenue between $31 billion and $33 billion for the current third quarter. The US economy is growing, slow maybe, but it's still growing, and the employment rate are going down, at least according to the recent statistics that the US government has released. Now, so far, most economic indicators are pointing out that the economy of the US will continue to grow. Now, which basically means that there will be more money for the consumers to spend on Amazon, and Amazon is going to profit from the economic growth of the US because it sells so many different products, and they are still emerging into new markets. For example, in India, where they released new products of Amazon into India, and I think they will succeed as well as they has done in the United States. Now, what I think is going to happen for the long term is that as long there is no stock split for the Amazon stocks, the stock price of Amazon will eventually hit the $1,000 value. It could be this year if they keep growing madness like this. Now, for the short term, I'm also positive about the Amazon stocks. If you look at the chart, you will see that the stock price has grown significantly, and it has been breaking his resistance levels a few times, and I think that the Amazon stock price is still in a bullish trend. Now, the stock might consolidate for a few days. Now, what I mean by consolidate is that the stock price is taking a small break from growing more in value. Now, the reason why I think that the Amazon stock price can grow more in value is that the market conditions are good. The economic conditions are good, and in a few weeks they are going to publish their third quarter results, and I think that they will produce a lot of good numbers, and I think that everybody expected as well. So I think that the stock price will continue to grow before Amazon release their numbers. However, if for some reason the stock price of Amazon is going to be a bit bearish, then the support level is around $754. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to watch more of these kinds of videos, then please subscribe to our channel. We would appreciate that very much. Thank you and have a good trade.